In this video, I'm going to show you how to disable or enable JavaScript in Google Chrome step by step. This is a quick and easy setting to change, and it can be really useful if you want to test websites, troubleshoot page issues, improve privacy, or simply turn JavaScript back on when a site isn't working properly. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, look at the top right corner of the browser window. You'll see the three dots menu, which opens the main Chrome options. Click on those three dots, then select Settings from the menu. This will take you to the Chrome settings page. Now, on the left-hand side of the settings page, click Privacy and Security. This section controls several important browser options related to your data, permissions, and website behavior. After that, click Site Settings. This is where Chrome lets you manage what websites are allowed to do, including things like location, camera access, pop-ups, and JavaScript. Next, scroll down until you find the Content section. Under Content, click JavaScript. This is the exact menu where you can control whether websites are allowed to run JavaScript in Chrome. JavaScript is a feature many websites use for buttons, menus, videos, forms, and interactive elements, so changing this setting can have a big effect on how sites behave. If you want to enable JavaScript, select Sites can use JavaScript. This turns JavaScript back on, which means websites will be allowed to run scripts normally. For most users, this is the recommended setting because many websites depend on JavaScript to function correctly. Once you select it, the change applies immediately, and you can close the Settings tab if you want. If you want to disable JavaScript instead, select Don't allow sites to use JavaScript. This will block JavaScript on websites in Chrome. Keep in mind that some websites may stop working properly, and certain features like menus, buttons, login forms, or videos may not load the way you expect. That's why disabling JavaScript is usually best for troubleshooting, testing, or specific privacy-related needs, and that's it. You've now learned how to enable or disable JavaScript in Google Chrome. It only takes a few clicks once you know where to look, and you can always switch the setting back whenever you need to. If this video helped you out, please remember to like the video and subscribe for more helpful Chrome tutorials and easy computer tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.